Hey, I'm Matthew, and if you want to build real wealth in 2026, passive income is the key. In this video, you'll learn 7 passive income ideas that anyone can start, even beginners. We'll keep it simple, practical, and stick-figure friendly so you can actually visualize how money grows without watching numbers all day. And stay until the end, because idea number 7 is a total game changer for your financial future. Idea number 1, dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are like getting paid for, owning a piece of a company. You buy shares of companies like Coca-Cola or Apple, and they pay you regularly, usually quarterly. My friend started with just $1,000 in dividend stocks. 3 years later, the payouts alone were covering a small monthly expense. Even small investments grow up over time. Later, I'll show you a trick to supercharge your dividend income with almost zero extra money. Idea number 2, real estate rentals. Investing in property can give you steady monthly cash flow. Even if you don't buy a house, platforms like Fundrise or Roofstock let you invest in real estate online with small amounts. I know someone who invested $500 in a real estate crowdfunding platform. A few years later, they're seeing $20 to $30 a month in passive income without lifting a finger. But what if you want income without owning property at all? That's where idea number 3 comes in. Idea number 3, peer-to-peer lending. P2P lending platforms like Lending Club let you lend money to others in a retort and earn interest, like being a mini bank. Example, you lend $1,000 across 20 loans. Even if a couple default, the average interest could still give you 5 to 7% annual return. My friend lent $500, reinvested the interest, and in 2 years it grew to nearly $600. Not huge, but passive and safe if diversified. And now comes a method that almost anyone with an internet connection can start. Idea number 4, create a digital product. Think ebooks, courses, printables, or even stock photos. Once you create it, people can buy it forever. You make the work once, get paid repeatedly. A stick-figure designer made a simple template pack. First month, $200. Next month, $180 passive. No more work needed. Now, if you love creativity but don't want a product, idea number 5 is perfect. Idea number 5, affiliate marketing. Promote products online. Earn a commission. You don't hold inventory. You don't deal with shipping. A beginner blog. Promoting a budgeting app earned $50 a month initially. A year later, $500 a month passive, just from links. And here's the secret most beginners miss. You can automate the income, so it grows while you sleep. Idea number 6, high-yield savings and cashback accounts. Your savings can actually make money. Use high-yield savings accounts or credit cards with cashback rewards. One friend automated all bills on a cashback card. Just paying regular bills, they earned $200 a year without changing spending habits. And finally, idea number 7. This one can completely change your financial game. Idea number 7. Invest in index funds or ETFs. Low-cost index funds track the entire market. It's like buying the whole stock market, not betting on a single company. Someone invested $1,000 into an S&P 500 ETF at age 22. By 32, their investment doubled thanks to market growth and compound interest. Here's the bonus tip. Combine dividend-paying ETFs with automation and watch your wealth grow without even thinking about it. Bonus tips. Combine these habits for maximum growth. Imagine this, $100 in dividend stocks, $50 in P2P lending, $200 automated into ETFs. All of these generate passive income simultaneously. Your money literally works for you while you live life. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these 7 passive income ideas will you start this week? Comment below. I read every comment. And if you want more step-by-step beginner-friendly strategies to grow wealth in 2026, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your money work for you.